Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's play Najdorf. I'll play for B5, Bishop B7. I hope this will be okay. It's sharpening up. Am I going to survive this position? It's a typical Najdorf at the moment, I would say. Knight c5. You could exchange here. Knight c5, b4, knight b6. Put some pressure here. Mind you, he's an advanced protected c2. Yes, he's weakening my d5 control. I'll take for this. Try and get back my d5. This queen's quite attacking. Yeah, I never get a chance to this. Or do I b4 before he gets an outpost, a piece outpost? Can I play b4? Yeah. Should be okay. I think the worst is over. Also, his c2 is a bit vulnerable. Okay, not so vulnerable though. Put the bishop ahead, stop f6. I'll lose that pawn. Queen c4 maybe. It's more important. Also I'm hitting d5. Okay, let's not lose that a pawn for nothing. I'll get bishop f6 soon. I think I should be okay. He's moving quite quickly. So am I suppose. Can I get bishop f6 in? We're in trouble. Trouble's brewing, huh? Rook f3 to h3. What will I do? What will I do? Don't know how to move like g6. If it goes rook f3, g6, or queen c2, rook h3. Looks as though I'm going to get mated. Is g6 possible? Let's try it. So d5 and c2 hanging. Of no significance though, if my king gets mated. Can I protect g6 from afar? Queen c2. Bishop h4 here, rook g4. There's queen h4 here, that's radical, trying to get rid of the queens. Yeah, I might try that. I don't know. I don't like the fork getting mated. Queen h4. Let's queen d5 and hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to be optimistic here that he's not mating me just yet. Maybe e4. It's got a perk of e4 to pin that. It's also got a perk of rook c2. Okay, I've always got bishop g7 if needed at the moment. Bishop g7 here. Actually, I'm attacking his queen then. Unpinning tactic. Unpin and win. There's pin and win, but unpin and win is a variation. I'm attacking the queen. I'm attacking f1.
Check.
Actually, I don't think this looks too bad. There's also queen d1 if he's not careful right here. Isn't there queen d1?
Checkmate.
Yeah. His back row was abandoned for his attack. Oh, that's a funny implication. The back row just totally gone. Okay, I enjoyed that one a little bit. Good old 5-minute chess. Angel was saying queen takes d5. Oh! That's a mistake. Queen e2. Alright, that pins, doesn't it? Against they tried to take his queen. That would be a simple solution. This is dodgy. Queen h3, apparently. This is okay. Bishop g7, good.
Check.
This is very good for me. So you'd have to do queen e2. I didn't even be materialistic. Okay, so yeah, fun one. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.